Hello, I'm Gio Jerian Misilio, ABS architecture student. So, let's talk about who am I now. Right now, I see myself as a dreamer in a progress, someone who's still learning, still exploring, and still shaping the kind of architecture and person I want to become. I'm a bit of perfectionist, but I also value creativity and purpose. I believe that every every design, just like every person has a reason for being. And that reason is to make life better, to make a mark, no matter how small. My current philosophy in life: growth takes time, and time never wasted if you are learning. Every challenges I face today is a part of foundation I'm building for my future. And whom will I be 10 years from now? 10 years from now, I see myself as a licensed architect, confident, capable, and grounded in a purpose. I'll be designing not just for building, but meaningful spaces that reflects reflects culture, sustainability, and human connection. I'll be maybe maybe I have my own firm. Maybe I part of a team that changes skylines. Uh, Either way, I'll be doing what I love. To my future self, I hope you stay humble despite success. I hope you'll never stop learning even when things go through. Have you built the life you have once dreamed of? Have you made your parents proud? Have you stayed true your passion and this principle? Imagine you're looking back, smiling, knowing that sacrifice and sleepless nights during college were all worth it because they made you who you are now. So, how I will be get there? I will get there by staying committed, treating every project, every critic, and every setback as a stepping stone. I promise to keep learning, to keep growing, to keep imagining. I will push through the pressure and believe in a progress, not perfection. I'll reminding myself that failure isn't the end. My oath is this: I will design not just my mind, but also with my heart. I will remain curious, passionate, and disciplined because I know that pathway to becoming Envision Malayan is built on perseverance, purpose, and pride. So this is who am I, who I will be, and how I will be get there. A future architect, a proud Malayan, and a builder of dreams.